All right. Good afternoon, everyone. Welcome to the Alumni Talk. We are having Khadija with us. Hey, Khadija. Good afternoon.
Uh, yeah, hi.
Hey,
Hello,
hi.
everyone. Very good afternoon.
Khadija, thank you for speaking. Can I have just a quick introduction about yourself?
Yeah, sure. So, my name is Khadija. So, basically, I belongs to Odisha. So, I hold a master degree in electrical engineering. 2021, I pass out from CET Bhubaneswar, Odisha itself. And after that, I joined a software company as a QA engineer. So, overall, I have a 2.8 years of experience in QA. And after that, I got some career break 5 to 6 months due to some my personal reason. Then later I decided to join the DataMites, and it's been only 3 to 4 months, and now I got placed in company ZS Associate as a data analyst. Yeah, that's a brief about myself.
Right. Great to know about it, Khadija. All right. So being a Q and A specialist, you said, right? I know, a lot of my friends are there. So what made you switch currently, like, to the data science?
Yes, so it's like when I was working as a QA engineer, like after 2.5 years, then I got to know like, okay, there is something called data, and data fields are there, and there will be using so many technologies, machine learning, statistics, and we have so many vast of things in data field. So QA is I can say from my own experience, it's like I feel like it's a repetitive task. I don't feel like it's like any professional or personal growth, or I'm not getting into the newer technology, AI, and I have so many things to do in this world, not only to stuck to, or no, not only to keeping some boundaries in career. So that's find me more interesting, like to learn something new, to get some new challenges with daily lives, and to converting the data into meaningful insights. So that finds me more interesting to come to the data field, data science field. Yeah.
Right. So you said that like Q&A, you felt like it's more like a repetitive task over and over
Yeah.
again. So
Yes.
I have a question. Since you have moved to the field of data, so you must have known about all the AI perspective as well. So
Yes.
do you think what Q&A engineer is happening right now, it can be done by AI in future?
Uh, that completely, I'm not sure whether it will be completely goes to a Q&A, will be taken over by the AI and something. That is also required in so many things, like many fields that cannot be automated, or that cannot be done by without using the human involvement. Yes. So AI, we can say it's a more human friendly. Yeah, it is helping the humans to easier the task, to automating the task easily. But yes, I can say it won't be like completely taking over. But yes, we'll see in next few years how it is going on.
Yeah, that's correct. It's more like a speculation. Why I'm asking
Yeah.
this question, because since you moved to, and I've been into this data for the last 7 years, so even I don't have a very clear-cut picture. I can have my opinion, but I'm really not sure about it. And of course, right now we are doing the codings, and we have like Copilot, we have ChatGPT, who is just doing, people think that ChatGPT is just for talking back for some question answer, but of course, it's doing the job of the coding, the main hardcode coding that we used to do. That's. So, how was your experience with the data mites?
Yes. So it's a quite a different story. I want to share with you all. So it's like after doing like job in 2.8 years in Q&A. So I was totally confused, like what where to go and where to start from. As a data engineer or data analyst or data science, we have so many things. It's not like one thing in a data field we can do. So first I thought like, okay, I'll be starting as a data engineer, but I don't have any like prior experience, anyone help, like I didn't find anything, like, so okay, I started from my self learning, started that was. And I have few friends who are working as a data engineer or data analyst field. So moreover, I just got to them like how to start and all. So for first few months, like 2 to 3 months, I started from myself. I got like self learning from YouTube's and all. I just started like that. Then I started applying for the jobs and all. Then I feel like it was not working. It didn't work for me actually, because we need a proper right path to
Correct.
prepare ourselves for the interviews. It's not like randomly learn something or go for something and sitting in the interviews. So after that, I felt like no, I might be doing some mistakes, and it's kind of wasting of time. So then I decided to, like, I was not even doing the data mites and all everything. Simply I was just doing some Google search, who is the like proper institute to start over, where are the proper platform. So the very first I got the data mites. So after going inside everything, Q&A, all these things I have done before coming to the data mites, then after that I got someone assistance. I just want to mention her name, like Reena. Yeah, she's from yeah, Bangalore. I just wanted to join there. So she helped me a lot. So totally confusion was there, like whether I have to join as a data engineer, as a data analyst. I don't have any idea about this, how to do and what they're doing, like as an analyst, as a data engineer, or as a data scientist. So she helped me a lot to clarify on this everything and all. So after that I decided, okay, first thing is like, I came to a completely electrical background first of all, and I don't have that prior knowledge of codings and all. Machine learning little bit I have the basic ideas about that. Then I have a mindset that okay, the data engineer and analyst are quite easy path, and data science is bit more tougher than that. I cannot do that. We have machine learnings, we have so many vast of subjects to learn. Maybe I cannot do that. So after like talking to the few peoples and all, data mice and all, I thought of like, okay, if I am like thinking of changing my domain, and if I want to take new challenges, then why not I can do the data science.
Yeah,
Let's see what I can do.
correct.
Yeah, so everything is like for putting the efforts and all. So I took, okay, let me do this. We'll see what happens to the next. Then I joined Data Mites Bangalore as a from data science course.
Hmm.
So after that, slowly, I got like Python, SQL, and machine learning slowly. So their like faculties, their teaching style and their type of understanding to the students, and classroom interaction, and each time, anytime, anywhere, any place, you ask questions, you ask for the doubt, everything that helped me a lot to get into this. Still I have not even completed my course. It's just 3 months. So still I'll be continue my data mice journey. It's not even completed now. So yeah, this is how I got landed into the data mites.
Okay, you actually answered a lot of questions that I was already
Yeah.
having. I initially thought that you have joined like data analyst program, but you clarified that no, you went through this data scientist, because I'm having this question that you, since you were from the Q&A basically, so what was the reason? But you clarified that yeah, that's a data scientist. All right. So like currently you are still pursuing with the data mites.
Yes.
All right. So right now you are working as a data analyst, right?
Yeah.
Okay, I have a question. Like when you got from Q&A, then some break, then again a data analyst, right? This is how you. So when you joined this data analyst, did you join as a fresher or you added the experience of the beforehand?
Yes, I added the experience, and this happened due to the data mites only. I can say this is completely the like credit goes to data mites as well as my own hard working and all. I can say yes, my efforts and all. That's I got.
All right, that's great to know. All right, Khadija. So could you please just let the audience know what kind of questions are being asked in the data analyst interviews?
Yes, sir. So this is like completely it's depend on your CV and what you are saying. I'm expertise in the field. So in my interview before got to this job, I already interviewed 5 to 6 interviews, and I somehow I got rejected in any rounds and all. So I got experience like how the questions are coming and all. So that is the very great thing to learn. And for this interview, first it was like for data analyst, they have given me like the one written test, one round first, which is the basic aptitude and the reasoning questions. So after clearing that, I got to the directly into the technical interviews. So
Mhm.
in technical interviews, so they're completely they ask the question from the SQL, Python, and a few statistics. and
Okay.
machine learning. That's the basic, very basic questions.
Okay.
So it is moreover like your resume, how you have mentioned your skills, and what is your proficiency in technical fields. So I have if they have given for the data analyst role, so they have more questions comes from the SQL fields.
Mhm.
Simple, it's the basic questions like terminologies, how it is working, and simple queries they have given to write. And for the Python also same, they have asked us a few theoretical questions, few simple you have the Python codes and all to write and all. And statistics, moreover, I can say not more questions, but few basic questions they have asked like that.
Mhm.
And machine learning, it's like I have mentioned machine learning, like I have some expertise in the machine learning. So that based on that, they have asked me the questions.
All right. So you covered up like Python, machine learning, statistics. It's basically what the data science is all about in the data analyst as such.
Yeah.
So my question is, since they have touched these kind of questions, now I'm myself more intrigued to know how does a day-to-day work of a data analyst looks like?
Yeah. Uh, Currently, I have joined just for 5 days before, but
Okay.
yes, I can explain how I don't have exactly idea how they are going to work and work culture and everything. But yes, from this 5 days, what I got to know is they are going to work in SQL, Python, Excel. They have PySpark as well. So these things they are moreover focusing as a data analyst.
Okay, so they're focusing more on the data extraction part.
Yeah.
Are they focusing more because since you said that only 5 days, so even you don't know the scope of your
Yeah,
work
yeah.
at this point of time. But do you think that, of course, they will be used with Power BI or Tableau to make an visualization of the data and do the analysis on top of it, right?
Yeah.
Uh,
So for I guess whatever I got to know that so they will be moreover they will be using the Power BI, and yes, more importantly, they are working with the AWS clouds that they're using for their projects
oh,
for
they're
their
using
clients.
AWS cloud. Yeah, of course. Now
Yeah,
everything has become cloud. Nobody wants to have
clouds.
their
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
legacy server to be working. All
Yes.
right. Uh, that's great, and that was quite good as well, Khadija. All right. Let's take some questions. We have Anonymous ask, was the class helpful for you while attending the interview? Have you started your internship? Okay.
Yes. So DataMites class. Sorry, I was getting some noise actually. Is it audible to you or only
Yeah,
for
yeah.
me?
No, no, it's audible. Yeah, noise I know, but you are audible clearly.
Yeah, okay.
Hmm.
Can you please repeat the questions one more
Uh,
time?
so the question comes in Q&A. Was the class helpful for you while attending the interview? It means that what you are learning, is it helpful in your interviews? And did you start your internship? That's the second question of the same part.
Okay. First thing for the internship, I'm just saying no, I have not yet started the internship.
Hmm.
Because few of the topics I have not completed. It's advanced data science up to advanced data science. I have completed the course. I have few more are left like big data. I have version controls and all few 4 5 subject are pending for me to start. Yeah,
Okay.
that is one thing. And the second thing is data mites is helping me or not. I'll definitely say yes for this, because before that also I was trying from my end to crack the interviews and all. But yes, after joining the data mites, I feel like I was not I was doing, but yes, I was not doing in the correct way, or I was not in the correct track to crack the interviews to get into the job. But after joining the data mites, after attending the classes and all, doubt clearing sessions and all, everything I have attended, I have joined, I learned slowly everything. So after that, I got to know that yes, there must be some path or there must be some guidance from somewhere so that I can get it easily. Yes, the data might definitely help me to get this job.
Thank you so much, Khadija, for your valuable feedback. We have another question from Mahita. Which subject did you find most challenging? I think she's talking about the topics.
Yes.
And how did you overcome that?
Yes. So, moreover, I can say I just currently still am in the learning phase from the data mites. I feel little bit challenging over the machine learning because I was not completely new to it, I can say. machine learning, that algorithm, because we have so many algorithms in it. We have like machine learning expert, and we have advanced data science as well. There also we have so many algorithms and all. So yes, that I feel little bit challenging, but yes, it's not that much challenging if you are going and practicing it daily basis. If you are practicing, you are understanding the things, you are understanding the concepts. Nothing is like difficult to understand, or nothing is like difficult to know. Because from the day one, I have also the mindset like, okay, I have in data science, I have this much of course, then this much of subject, like, how can I overcome this and all.
Correct.
But now everything I feels like, okay, I can do it, and everything is easier if you are putting your efforts. Yeah, that's my point.
That's not just your point, Khadija. That's the overall thing that people have to know. People think that everything is sugar coated. It's just like you do it and you'll get it. No, you have to earn it. It's
Yeah,
as simple as that.
yeah,
I was saying as the demo session, somebody says that like it's as a core. How do you think? Somebody questioned me. How do you think we have seeing that data analyst position is becoming challenging day by day? I said challenging is just because you have the mindset to be challenging. I mean, if you have that scope, if you know what you are doing, and if you put your hard work into the place, then it becomes an easy thing for you. Well, that is absolutely correct. More questions. I'm actually eager for them to ask more questions.
yeah, sure, no problem.
Guys, do we have any questions from YouTube, LinkedIn, any online source? We have around 6 participants joined over here. So, oh, no questions. All right, that's great. All right, I think
Um,
yes,
uh,
Khadija, please.
yes, just I want to add one point from my
Hmm.
end. So it's like data field is completely a very good field. I feel from my own experience. I'm just sharing this. If people are doing the mindset like, okay, the analyst, data analyst is different, data scientist is different, and data engineers, it is not like completely. We don't have any boundaries for the data world actually. In data science, if I'll say, it's not data science is a only single field. It's like it's a combination of all. Is we are doing like as a data analyst, we can say we are doing the work of the data engineers also, data analyst also. Everything is a mix of it.
Hmm.
So we cannot define like, okay, data science is only conserving to this field only. Okay, we have to learn only one chapter, only five chapter for as a data scientist or as a data analyst. No, it's all about like exploring the new things, learning the new things in the daily basis. Like completely it's a new things in daily basis. That's up to you, how you will be learning for yourself, how you will be taking it as for your mindset also. So yes, it's a very good and very nice experience for this everything.
Correct.
Thanks to
You know,
recognize as well.
you know what was the best part of like is my experience. What I feel the best about being a data scientist or the guy who is in the field of data, the domain itself, because we are free of any domain.
Yes.
Sometimes it's medical, sometimes it's electrical, sometimes it's mechanical. We can just incorporate this data science and AI or data analyst in these
Yes.
field. And the good thing about we have the tool and we are learning new things, new chapters, new topics like, oh, this happens. We are not aware about. So when we start doing it, sometimes we feel like I'm a doctor. Sometimes because you have to understand the whole domain unless until you cannot do anything. So that's the best part of being in the field of data. All right, that's quite a good talk with you, Khadija.
Thank you.
Thank you so much for coming over here. We hope we can meet next time as well.
Yeah, thank you so much. Currently, I have joined as a data analyst, yeah,
Mhm.
but I have not even completed my data science journey. And my main focus is to be a data scientist. Yeah,
Eventually.
I'll be completely into
Khadija,
it.
you
Yeah,
have to be. It's not about data scientist. You have to
yeah,
become
yeah, yeah.
AI. Even more.
Everything. Yeah,
AI, you have to become AI. Eventually, we have to touch the AI part, understand the whole process of LLMs, and how everything has been integrated to make one product. So this is where the goal has to be, no
yeah,
matter what from where you are starting. All right. Thank you so much,
yeah.
Khadija, and thank you so much, team, for
Yeah.
this success story. Thank you.